Good morning, dear children. As we had a brief discussion on average period method under interest on partners drawing in our earlier classes, I hope you understood the old situations which I mentioned in our video. Now, today we will discuss the second method on interest on partners drawing, that is product method. I hope you are very familiar with this point that I have discussed in my previous video. So, what is product method, and when we implement this method in way of calculating interest on partners drawing? As in our earlier classes, we had a discussion on two way of withdrawal activities performed by the partners. First one, regular withdrawal activity, and second thing, that is irregular withdrawal activity. In case of regular withdrawal activities, we will use average period method, on which the withdrawal amount will remain same in total period. But in case of irregular withdrawal activity, we will use product method when there is unequal amounts withdrawn by the partners at their different intervals. Here we will discuss the formula of interest on drawing under product method. So interest on drawing equals to total product into rate upon 100 multiplied by 1 upon 12, or in case of days, that is 1 upon 365. Now we will understand the calculation of interest on drawing when unequal amounts are withdrawn at different intervals with this question. Here you can see, in a partnership, partners are charged interest on drawing at the rate of 15% per annum. During the year ended 31st March 2020, a partner withdrew as follows. Date mentioned in the question, here you can see in slide, and amount also being mentioned in the question. What is the interest chargeable from the partners? Now comes towards the solution. First column shows the date at which the drawings are made, and second column shows the amount withdrawn. The third column depicts the number of months the amount remain outstanding to the business. For example, first drawing was made on 1st May 2019, so the number of months remains outstanding is 11, that is from May 2019 to March 2020. For the second drawing, the amount of 5,000 remains outstanding from August to March 2019, so the number of months is 8. For the third drawing, the amount of 2,000 outstanding from September 30th September to March, that is 6 months. Similarly, the fourth drawing, the amount of rupees 6,000 remains outstanding from February to March, that is for 2 months. And lastly, for the fifth drawing, the number of months is 0. As you can see, the 2000 withdrawal amount and the number of months is 0, because 31st March is the end of the accounting period. Now, in the fourth column, we will multiply the second column and third column, that is 2000 into 11, that is 22,000, 5,000 into 8, that is 40,000, 2,000 into 6, that is 12,000, 6,000 into 2, that is 12,000, and 2,000 into 0, that is 0. Summing up this column, we get the sum of product, which is 86,000. So here interest on drawing, that is interest on 86,000 at the rate of 50% per annum for a month is 86,000 into 15 upon 100 into 1 upon 12. That is total 1075. That 1075 rupees is a interest on drawing under this product method. I hope this is clear to you all. Thank you.